Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Little short video. I just did a video and trying to help somebody do this. But this is layered art. We're going to stack it. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to take that one and make it yellow, and I'm going to put P. Now it just happened to be on the top layer. I'm going to make this one a light blue, and I'm going to hit P, but you see it's behind the yellow. So I'm going to go to Object, Order, Front of Page. Now the blue is on top of the yellow, and there's just a little bit of yellow showing. This is a really cool artwork. We're going to make this one a dark blue and then put P, and I can't really tell. Yep, so let me back up one so we make sure we have that layer. When I hit P and go up to Object, Order, Front of Page, and then if we make this, it's hard, there's so many colors, but it's already cool. If you think about all the different layers that you're going to be able to see. Let's make this one, tell you what, let's make it white. And then put P and take it and put it, Object, Order, Front of Page. I mean, look at the detail. The white doesn't do it justice. Let's change that to an orange. Look, because you can't see the white. Well, you know what? We could use white and then put it on a black background. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and look at the detail. I really want a picture of this when you send it back, when you get it cut out. That's a pretty neat layered art file. I hope I was able to help you. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.